Alrighty, good morning. March 12th, 2022. A little bit past 7:30, Saturday morning. Ario and I are going to check out a cornfield that requires a motorcycle to get there. Should be a pretty cool adventure. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Boontang, good morning. Woody, gas price is going up. Feel the groove. Hopefully the weather will cooperate with us.
Ready?
Adios, amigos. Arrivederci. Cemetery right up there.
Past it already.
We're already past it?
Yeah.
Alrighty, Ariel passed it, but we're back on the road. This is definitely a smaller road that requires a motorcycle. I guess you could take a car up this road, eh?
Yeah, yeah. But I'm not sure if we can move around. But yeah.
Mayan Butang.
Boss, asang may mais tadi boss nga maisan. Okay, boss.
He didn't know.
Yep, he didn't know though.
I tell you, a big truck's coming down this road.
Let's ask the boy. Or let's go that way.
Here comes the guy. Oi.
Ay, maisan tadi boss. Maisan. Mais. Oh, magkano sila sa Divina. Divine ba? Dili daw. Ah, sorry, kita daw.
Big trucks do come down this road here. Mayan Butang!
Ay, Muntas! Hello! Let's go try that road.
A different road. Oh, the one that we could have went to the left.
Yep.
That way. Oi. Oi.
Ah, boss, asa maisan diri boss? Maisan. Asa gion? Dira.
Oh yeah. Thanks.
Your head, Joe.
On a volleyball court. Football. Is that volleyball or
Volleyball.
football?
It's volleyball.
The road that we should have taken. You've never been this way.
Yeah. Up to that way, Joe.
Banana farm right here. I'm looking for corn, don't see it.
There are corns there.
Oh, you saw some corn?
Yep. We can try to walk through. Let's leave it here.
Oh, way over there.
Yeah.
You want to take the bike?
So it's hard to pass through. Maybe this way. Maybe there's some more here. Asa may lali? Tura dito?
Pagyagian nyo atong naip, parinir nga balay, dayon kanang naip. kuan gyud tungod adto ra kayo. Nang dayon kag
Uyo sa danang balay nga dako diha nga orange ang pinta.
kanang gihang so nun ano ra man ana?
Harvest na tingali si Noy Dume.
Sa anagon ay kuanon.
Oh. Ana dia mau na dia.
Okay, mo sa kanya. Balik na diha.
Pwede agion diri te.
Kana diha nya day musubayon mo nang dala na adto galaos pud sa nagbaol ana duming mahan dibina.
Ah,
Kani kay mabalhin ko ni ilang dala sa matinguan kay dito piti man to handiga dito. Kuan mo kayo.
So he's saying another direction.
yeah, this one.
This road.
That's road. That's where the cornfield is.
Na magyan yun ang maisa na ni ay kang duming na ay mahan dibina.
You gonna move your bike?
Oh no, let's just head this way.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. My Boontang.
Hey, good morning.
So the field's this way here.
Yep, the field.
Do they think it's harvesting?
Yeah, that's what they said, or they might already harvested it. They're not sure.
Hmm.
The one who harvested is Teacher Divine's dad.
Oh, really? It's their farm, huh?
Oh, there's cornfield. There are corns. There's a baby corn. Oh, they still haven't harvested it yet. See, yo.
There's music over there. Looks like a pig pen over there, Ariel.
Wanna go there?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Find out who the farmer. If it's his field. Well, this is your cornfield that we're seeing right now. It's not looking too good. There's a cornfield to the left up here too. That looks nicer corn.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, that corn looks good over there.
Or that might be the one needs to be harvested.
Huh. Soil is nice here. Very rich looking. I still think it needs to grow this
Yeah.
corn. Because you know the cornfield by our house said second week in April. And then yesterday that farmer said last week in April for him.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, there are some dogs. Ayo.
Ayo!
Oh, there are pigs.
Yeah. I don't know if wagging the tail means friendly or not. Give him. Is he on a chain? I think he's on a chain.
Yeah.
Here we are walking around on our farmers. Hear music over this way.
Oh, there's dog.
Oh.
Careful, Joe. Ayo.
Ayo!
Ayo.
Ayo! Hello! My Boontang!
Eh, pwede naman na sa baboy.
Probably cannot hear you, the radio. She turned it off. Hello!
Eh, pwede naman na sa baboy. Pwede na.
Is that the farm?
Like he said, okay.
Oh. Oh, but do we find out if it's the farm or not for the harvest?
Their house is over there.
Oh, their house. So this is the cornfield?
Yeah, probably is a cornfield or.
So we are struck out on the corn harvest, it looks like. But we're checking out some pigs here. Wow. Need a pig? There's a bunch of pigs here. There's gotta be at least 20 pigs in this kennel right here. This pen.
There's more.
Yeah, the next one's got another 20. Hey guys, look at all these pigs. Do you know why the brown one's over here? Is that
Just the skin?
yeah, just a different type, or?
Yeah, I guess so. The different type.
They all want to say hi to the camera. Look at them all. I think they're hungry. Don't see any food. Don't see the mama pig either.
Maybe in a different.
It's actually, the smell is not that bad. We got farmers over there.
Wala, duming, Ricaporte. Duming? Ricaporte? Oh. Ano nga, balay? Oh. Duming. Ah, diri di ay. Diri mo agyo. Ah. Kini diyan na mo. Adong dito. Atong nga balay.
Trying to find the farmer's house here.
Oh, orange. Loyo ana or kanang yun. Kanang loyo ana. Atbang ana orange. Sige, salamat kayo, boss.
Thank you. Yeah. See you later, Mr. Cow. Or Mrs. Cow. Be like a farmer
Yeah, they always do that.
with the Carabao.
Yeah, whenever they call the Carabao extension.
Yeah. Yeah, this corn to me looks like it's another month away. Maybe 6 weeks away. Love the soil.
Yeah, it's very, I can tell that it's very healthy. It's very fertile.
Sun is making it feel hotter today, early this morning. We left the bike up there.
Yeah, there.
Took the keys out of the bike, didn't you?
Yeah. Anak, ari agi on dire? O dito pikas, adire? Ah.
Thank you. Just getting double confirmation where the house is. It's over there. Got our goat and we're getting back on the bike. goat path. They rule the path here.
Boss, asa la doming re kaporte?
Triple confirmation.
Ila doming re kaporte ba? Topikas? Ah, kani? Ah. Kadang ila ka Ma'am Divine ba? Ah, kani? Mo ni la teacher Divine. Mo ni la teacher Divine. Ah,
The goat farmer.
alam ko to si teacher Divine nga mag-harvest ka ng mais. Ah, mo ha. Oh, nag-harvest ka ng mais. Ah, napa dito? Oh, you still gonna harvest it. So good news.
Which field? The field that we were
Asa nga
in?
field? Asa nga corn maisan? Balik ili na motor. Hold on, Joe.
I'm gonna check out the goat farm. So we got a bunch of goats here on the farm. And we got the bigger goats over here. This might be the biggest goat I've seen so far on this trip. Look at that goat. Wow. That's a big one. Got some big ones back there too. Hey Joe. How you doing? America.
Yeah.
Detroit.
Yes.
How about you?
Okay.
How many? You're a goat farmer.
Yeah. Yeah.
How many goats do you have?
10.
10 goats, huh? And how do you make your money? Do you like sell your goat milk, or
Yeah.
and do you sell the goat meat, or just goat
It
milk?
depends upon the buyer.
Depend upon the buyer.
Yeah, the buyer, he wants to.
Huh. How much to pay? Yeah.
We sell 15,000 or either that big is we buy that 45,000.
The big one, the big goat,
Yeah.
45. That's your stud.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. Nice. What else do you farm?
What?
What else do you farm? Do you farm corn? Do you plant something else?
Yeah, I plant. You want to go inside?
Yeah, yeah. How the heck you? Oh, so why do you have the fence to protect the banana trees?
Oh, yeah, Joe.
Because the goat will eat the banana tree.
Oh, because of
But why the fence?
hey, Joe.
Why the fence? Just to protect from the goats?
Protect. Oh, yeah.
Because the goat
Yeah,
eat
is
the tree.
banana is leaves of banana protect this cacao.
Oh, you sell.
Yeah, cacao.
This is cacao.
Oh yeah,
Oh wow, nice.
cacao.
Yeah, cacao, very
Protect
good.
this leaf. Protect this cacao
Yeah,
because of
the sun.
banana.
And you sell and you plant cacao too.
Cacao. This is you make chocolate.
Yeah. Tablets. Do you make the tablets?
No tablea.
Ah,
Or It's not the tablia because this is a white beans.
Okay, because down in Argyle, we buy cacao down in Argyle.
This is a white beans cacao. That is a criollo.
Huh. And the typhoon hit you good?
Yes.
Looks
There's
like
so many dies.
yeah. Wow. And how many hectares do you have?
What?
How many hectares? How much land?
That is 2 hectares only. And over there and there.
Huh.
But this area is 4,281 square meter.
Oh, okay.
This area.
Wow. Very nice. Cool.
But
Oh,
there's so many guys in typhoon with it.
yeah. We're. They don't bite, do they?
No.
Oh, my first time in a goat pen. Wow. Beautiful goats.
This is
You don't have too many baby goats right now. They're over by there's a spring that we went to.
3.
3. Okay. Another goat farmer I saw last week. He maybe had about 8 babies, 8 small ones.
But this pregnant also. This one and the 2.
Huh. That's a very big goat. How long does the goat live? How many years will this goat live?
I think 6 years or
6 years? Wow. Alrighty, thank you very much. Oh. Oi. He wants to get out.
Farm.
Yeah, right here. Yeah.
You seen it?
Yeah. Just he showed me some of the plant. He said it was devastated by typhoon.
You know the goat.
He will
said
eat it.
It's very expensive.
Yeah. I think he
Like
said.
almost $1,000.
Well, he paid. I think he said 45,000.
Yeah.
For the goat.
Oh wow.
For the big one.
It's a hybrid.
Alrighty, we found our corn harvester. He's gonna harvest some corn here. His home is over this way, but his farmland is back this way. So we get to see a little pig action today, some goat action, and now it's seeing some corn harvesting.
Okay.
This is his field, Ariel?
Yep. So, and he already harvested some of the corns.
Harvested some right here.
Yeah.
And
That is still.
still growing.
Ano sana ma-harvest tayo?
Marso no?
Oh.
Abril mga primerong semana sa
Mayo. First week of May, Joe.
First.
You're gonna harvest that.
And is this corn sweet corn or corn for livestock?
For rice, Joe. The one that you.
Oh, this is corn
You
for
ate?
this is corn to for the rice.
Ano man itong huwaan yung igad? May mana lang nakukuha ba?
Very sharp. Does the owner Carabao?
Carabao. Carabao.
Carabao.
Siya, he has.
How old?
Pila na edad siya mong Carabao?
Juan, mga 9.
9 years.
9 years. Male or female?
Laki pa, bayi tayo.
Bay.
Bayi. Female.
Female.
Kana. Kana.
And does he harvest the field on his own? Or does he have a helper?
He has a helper job. That's
Helper.
what Teacher Donna said earlier. Ikaw ra mag-harvest ani tay.
Ako rin ilaw sa kabaw.
Kanang nakay uban ani sa una katong pag-una. Harvest nimo diha.
Puno lang ato.
Nakay kauban pag harvest nimo.
Wala.
Oh, he's the only one harvesting it.
Yeah, it's not that big of a field.
One in one ra.
Get your exercise.
Exercise.
Yeah.
Ya, kalau saan nimo na pud tamlan tay.
Mayo.
Sige na pa
Kay
cultivate
kwan man
this one
kana.
again on May.
Bayo mo na mas tinginit.
Mm.
Mas tinginit.
Where does he get his corn seeds?
Asa ka palitan sa mong seeds tay? Asa ka tagpalitan sa mong seeds? Kay mong kuan ba binili para tanom ba oh.
Ako ara.
Oh, he has.
He has. Does
From
he
this?
from this farm? From this
Probably from
corn
this.
from previous harvest?
Yeah.
Ako ara. Dagang mais man dito payag nako. Puno eh.
So he has some mean corns at his house.
Lots of seeds.
Unyo man kung tig harvest o tig baligya.
You're gonna sell the crops on June.
Mm. Does he plant any other crop in this field besides corn?
Mais ra man tanom tay.
Mais ra kanon din na talong pa wag na house naman. Wala na.
Or in this field only corn, Joe.
Only corn.
He has another field. He planted like
Eggplant.
kind of lemongrass, Joe.
Lemongrass?
Yep.
Wow. Does he
They are
harvest
used this
that?
for his lechon belly
Huh.
and for the soup.
Huh. But does he harvest the lemongrass too?
I'm not sure. Imo ang po imo ni tanglad tay.
He harvests
Nato abot na to.
lots of lemongrass.
Talas manok.
And what does he do with the corn stalk? Feed his
Feed to the goats.
feed to the goat. He has goats too.
Yeah, he has goats.
How many goats?
Pila ka goats imo tay? Pila ka bugtanan kanding nimo?
Mga 12 kabok.
12 of them.
How old is the gentleman?
Pila na edad nimo tay?
15 sa isa.
76 years.
76. Wow. 76 years old and still getting it done.
Uban edad nako. Sa edad nako lako magsungko.
Naon guro na nimo tay, unsa may kanon nimo tay?
Ha?
Kasi sige kanon nimo.
Wan. Dili kay ko mo may derba lang humay, dili kay ko gulpis humay. Okay. Mga ko humay pero mga pala yung humay.
Eat rice though. He eats more. So it's rice.
He looks very healthy for 76. Very good. And what did the typhoon do to his field, Ariel?
Naguba ni pagbagyo tay? Ha? Naguba ni diri ang farm yung pagbagyo.
Buboy.
Yeah.
Bago ng mga ato pa na.
Diri sa imong field tay.
Ha?
Sa imong diri umahan. Wala ka nagtanom ato last time.
Tanom diyan ka na diyan ko ni himoy.
It got damaged though. The entire corn over there, it got damaged by the typhoon.
Kani kana na. Ko ni himoy. Ako lang daro. Mabuhay ano minute yuta. Nya nangimot mo ba? Ito kung nila.
Any snakes in the field?
Ay bitin diri tay.
Ha?
Ay bitin.
Wala eh.
No snakes though. There's only one at your feet.
Kita kag snake kat limpon. Diri mas dibayin gabi gusto mo yung sulte.
Oh.
Diri mas balay. Kaya sino ang gagtanggad?
How many children does he have, Ariel?
Pila tanan sila Teacher Divine? Tay,
Unom.
6.
6. 2 are teachers and
Pila ka maista tay?
Dua.
Duha Teacher Divine, Teacher Donna.
Nguban man nasa Cikaan.
Oh yeah, oh, kaila ka rin yata.
Darlin. Kaila ka Darlin.
Oh.
Oh, Cikaan. Supervisor.
any of his children farmers?
Wala ka farm si mong anak tay?
Oh,
Wala ka sunod?
wala. Ako ra. Nidin ako wala na sila kaw kanagot.
Oh, mau yun. Yun.
Wala man yung sunod.
No,
Negosyo man.
no one wanted to take his place. All they want is a business or
Baboy. Maman ninda magkarne.
Ah.
Duminik, dihilig Duminik, negosyo man.
His son Dominic is selling some meat.
A lot of his children named for D, after D. Donna, Divine, Dominic.
Diri mo gihina.
Oh, dili mi ganyan. Nagsulti na mo dito.
Nakabalo pa ko. Diyan naglingkod ko bangko.
Kita ka na mo ni Agi.
Dahil kita ang dako tong may lubid na dalan, diha man ko. Naglingkod.
He saw us when we passed by their house, Joe.
Mind if I get in there?
Kana. Tabang.
Help out.
Diyan gid.
Tell him like in Michigan, I see the big harvesting corn.
Dito sa Michigan tay nagkuan siya dito, dako kay harvester dito. Kanang road truck ba?
And last year, like I rode a combine and I drove the combine
We drove a combine.
for 7 minutes harvesting corn. So this year, I'm picking corn for 7 minutes.
Ali ra tayo. Oh,
Oh, it's nice, the white corn, right?
kana. Nice yan.
Yeah.
Tanglad na ko okay. Kung sa mala akong nagtanong.
So only one ear per stalk? Only one per
Oh
stalk?
yeah.
Does
Usa
he-
naman na ka mais tay sa usa ka anak mo barog.
Ha?
Usa ra ka mais, bunga ba?
does
Side
he,
ang duha.
Oh, there's the sometimes two, Joe.
sometimes 2, but typically 1?
61.
Sekarang one.
In the United States, 2. 2.
Sagam ko sa inyo ko. Paugdang ko nila dako sila gastor hospital kay nadaot mga mga anak ko ang ano ko yung paugdang ko nila ba.
Sakit man gani tay.
Masakit ko hapit ko matay ako. Palit tabog balik. Mo magiging garo ko. Kanya akong
Luya ka ni ay mawala kay
exercise. Dako sila gas doktor palit tabog kayo.
he got sick though because his daughter and son wanted him to stop farming. After that he got sick and he almost died.
Really? Because
Yeah.
he wasn't not farming, not getting his exercise?
Yeah, exactly.
Exercise.
That's why he get back to this.
Well, this is a pleasure. Next time I use the knife.
And there's one, Joe.
Did I miss one?
Yeah, this one. Small.
Ini kita tuh yang dagang pakai bawang. Kumuha man ako.
Mm. It would have been better, Joe. He said that if we did able to see all the field here with corns.
Yeah. This is really nice.
Gad is binag binag. Dia kepituk bak karon. Gahe lang.
Dagay na.
Pergi mo ato suban, mo mo na. Kaya ko pagawaan ni.
Saan na nimo tay? Bulad ya de galingon.
Does he ever
Di
want?
galingon na di panibot di bulat kay. Namay daghan puno mo to akong payagon. Ibaligya ko to sa Mayo, Hunyo,
Para maiso ni.
oh, kanang katong ako mas dito ako ni ibalig pagaling niya ibaligya.
Pagaling ya brigya.
Bugas ako baligya man. Wala birtang.
Does he still run the Carabao on the plowing? Does he still?
Ikay mo mudaro ani tay. Oh, yeah, he's yeah.
To dito akong daro, nagdaro gyud ko dito pikas.
Wow. And has he owned the Carabao his, all 9 years? Or 8? How many years has he owned the Carabao?
Pila na katuig nimo Carabao tay?
Ngayon na.
Oh,
All 9?
not all 9 so.
And how long does it take him to cultivate the field with the Carabao?
Pila ka adlaw nimo ni daro tay?
Semana.
A week,
Kani.
A week?
Yeah.
Takes a week.
more or less.
Kanay mo kog dinaron mo nga daro ko buntag balik na ko dinam ko balik og man po buntag. Naman takihon talaga.
Makainit kayo.
Kuan lang. Hindi lang ko mo.
Tingulingaw lang god. Sa
Kani ako dili
tingulingaw ba?
sukom gana sila. Nga kuan. Wadi mamatay to sayo ana. Dali baligya ko dai ko ngabot.
Di lang gyud magpalabi tayo og init.
Oh,
Kay
di.
kuyaw.
Kuyaw kanang mga alas 8 kapin.
Oh. Init na.
Kung na dito na din kung balik ko ugma na po. Mo na dugay ko man.
You got a new farmer here.
Yeah, I love it. It's really a pleasure. It's a joy.
Abot tag Amerika.
cool.
Na.
It's all done.
Thank you so much.
Daton ba na mo dito tay?
Ako rin
Can I carry the bag back?
Diri na din mo ganina. Ano ba ganun? Ko asa man to? Kinsa to? Ko kailaman.
Hold this one, Joe.
No, I'm okay. But next time when we do a corn thing, maybe I'll be the one chopping it.
Ano po sa kinuha na kung dari? Ang laya.
No, you already harvested.
Very difficult work, but he gets a lot of pleasure out of it, I imagine, huh?
Yeah.
Stays healthy. His family's family did not want him to be a farmer a few years ago. He stopped farming, then he became sick, then he started to farm again, and he's doing great.
Ha?
Ugma na po siguro.
He works in these sandals right here. The man is 76 years old and still getting it done. A couple years ago, his family had him stop farming, but then he became sick. He didn't like it, started to farm again, and he's back at it. Looks healthy for 76 years old.
If nila na gayal, dapat may mukhaon na gayal. Agi, iyo sana ibutang. Gani ka mag-link ko ganila, yeah.
My Buntang.
Oh,
Oh, this is your corn storage.
sa tuwan.
Wow, this is where he stores all his corn. Holy cow.
Wala mo sad.
How long do you store the corn for?
Pila ni ka adlaw nimo ikuan tay i-store ang corn before mo ibaligya.
Di lubuon sa.
Loboon mga pila gyud na tanan lobo din. Mga 2 months,
Ngale.
more or less 2 months Joe, or 1 month and a half.
Then it's ready to be made into that corn meal.
They need to separate the corn from its, you know,
The stalk.
Stalk.
I mean the cob. The cob.
top. And
Separate.
then they need to grind it
Yeah.
for
Puno nito di pa.
And does his whole field fit in there, or does he have another storage?
napakalaing storage tayo kanila.
Kanara.
It's the only one.
It's the only storage. And does he worry about like any type of animal that gets in there, like a rat or any?
Ay, ilaga tayo.
No,
rat.
no rat.
Ay, kumin ay makuwat. Na ay kumin gisabo.
He has a rat poison.
Rat poison to get rid of the rat. And are these his goats right here?
Na ilaga.
Like
those your goats?
Mo para sa akong apo pa lang kalinga.
For this goat is his grandchildren's.
Oh, okay.
There's dog, duck.
Do you get the duck eggs, or what do you do with the duck? Do you like?
Oh, pabo. There's a
Turkey.
But
lagi mo pa. Doon na ay.
but with the ducks, do they use the eggs? They have
So,
the,
na nimong duck. Na itlog ani pa? Itlog sa itik nimo?
There's a little one. Katong naman to yung piso ani do gagmay yellow pa kayo. Ah, kani aron.
Dili tayo na. Tanong na siya kung saan mong itik ba. Mo nang gipadaghan. I wanted to get more ducks, but he doesn't know where the eggs.
Yeah,
Okay.
man, oh.
But like, what about the turkey? Do you eat the turkey?
Yeah, they do.
They do.
Or they can sell it too.
How many turkeys you have? One?
Pila ba pabo na matay? Only one job.
My buntang, my buntang.
Oh, the goats here, Joe, are so friendly. See, they don't even bother us.
Yeah, the other goats were friendly next door too. Wow. My buntang. We'll go see the Carabao. That's a big Carabao. And does the Carabao sleep here or sleep somewhere else?
Asa matulog tayo mong Carabao? Swimming pool for Carabao, Joe.
Is where? Over there?
Yeah.
There, look.
Okay, I don't want. I was gonna walk around because I don't. He's not gonna come after
They
me.
have plenty of goats. Look.
Okay, this
The
is where
swimming pool
the
of the Carabao.
So he likes to sit in there.
Yeah.
Wow. Do you have to put water in there or is it natural?
We put water.
You put water in there.
Yeah.
And he knows when it's time to get in there. Easy to get in there for him.
I don't know.
Big Carabao. And we have more goats over here. Feeding time for the goats. Ooh, there's a beautiful goats. That cliff up there we walked the other day, if I'm not mistaken. Well, we got the goats again. We got our Carabao over here. Yeah, I'm just gonna walk this way. Keep my eye on them. Hey, he knows it's water time. Food? He drinks very slow. Very nice. Got a lot of nice animals in here on this small farm. Well, that was a great experience. My first time picking corn here in the Philippines. Nice to see the two types of farmers, three actually farmers we saw today in action. The pig farmer and the goat farmer with the cacao and the banana trees. And now we're heading back. And also the corn farmer here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.